Today we're going to do some face healing, and I really hope that you all try to give it a go. And I know that some of you have told me that you're not that keen on it, but if you start doing some face healing, you will be amazed at the differences that it will make in your mindset, in how you feel about yourself and how your face looks. Now, the whole premise of face healing is about your emotions and your feelings. Because as an energy healer myself, I know that we get all of our emotions stuck in our body. And this is literally what people go to energy healers for, is to release it. Now, there might be things that have happened to you in your past. There could be things that your father would ridicule you about things, or call you names, or tell you that you're never any good. All of these things that people tell us that are just impossible projections that they project onto us, and then somehow we believe them. Now, it's all of these things that I'm talking about. I'm talking about things that people have said to you and things that you have believed, beliefs that you have taken on from either your brothers, your sisters, your mother, your father, friends, aunties, uncles, all of that sort of thing. People that you really believed in and trusted, that told you something that they thought about you, that they thought that was you, when in reality it wasn't. So this is what this is about. It's about clearing all of those projections that have been put onto you over your lifetime that you can now get rid of. Such an important thing, because we do hold these projections in our body and in our face. And my belief is, if you go and face those projections that have been put on you, those beliefs that are so painful that you can't even think about, that when you do think about them, you push them down again. It's those beliefs that I want to help you to clear through face healing. Now, I've created these gorgeous little cards, and there's only 25 of them, and they are in the gym. They're exclusively in the membership site. I don't have them for sale as yet, because I've still got more cards to create, and I don't really want to put them out for sale as yet. But what I do every now and then, I pick a card for everybody, and through my intuition, pick a card and we'll do some face healing together. Now, today I've picked the card, I Am Connected. Isn't she gorgeous? I just love this. I created all these pictures myself, and this is I Am Connected. And it's really important that we have this connectedness with ourselves. Because what happens is we lose connection with ourselves, and we lose connection with our emotions, and we stop feeling our emotions. And that's when our face does become quite flat and quite difficult to learn to use these muscles again. That's because we're not using our emotions. Our emotions are directly connected to our face. They are linked and they are one and the same. You feel an emotion, you express it on your face. That's how it works. So if we are emotionless, then we have no expressions on our face. Then our face becomes very flat, and then we find it very difficult to start using our muscles when we try to start facial exercises. So all of these little things are to help you connect to yourself again. So I'm so glad, because this has been my theme in my videos coming up, my next lot of videos coming up, is being connected. So now we're going to do some face healing, and we're going to use I Am Connected as the affirmation. So as normal, what we do is we do all of our other stuff that we might have done, whatever you've done, your facial exercises, you've done massage, you've done everything you need to do. You do this laying in bed at night. This is when you do it. Because all of our healing takes place at night, whether it's a healing with the universe or healing our body, it all takes place when we're asleep. So what I'd like you to do is I would like you to go ahead and close your eyes and start scanning your face. Scan your face and keep scanning it until your awareness goes to one part of your face. Now, it might be an area that's already a problem spot for you and you feel uncomfortable about it, or it might be an area that you just go to. It might be your eyes, some area that your awareness goes to. Then what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to just start relaxing. I want you to place your fingers on the area where there's the awareness, and I want you to just start gently rubbing it in circles. It's like acupressure. So as you do this, close your eyes with the intention that you are going to find out from your subconscious, like your subconscious is going to say and show you a thing that you need to release. And when you do that, what happens is it starts to relax and release the area that you have, your consciousness has gone to. So basically, when you start doing this little rubbing feeling, close your eyes, allow your subconscious to take you back to a time that you need to go back to heal. Now that could be anything. Could be anything. I mean, I don't know what's happened to you. I know what's happened to me, so I go back to those times and my subconscious takes me back to those times so I can heal them. So it will take you back to a time where somebody was projecting something onto you that was very painful, that made you upset, made you cry, or made you feel hurt. It takes you back to that time. Could be anybody that's doing it, but it takes you back to a very specific time. Now, when you go back there, it's very safe. It's not anything that is going to hurt you. It's a memory that your subconscious is bringing up for you to focus on and to release. It will make you feel better. It'll help you get on with your life once you release it. So we're back there, we can see it, it's all coming to fore, and what happens is it all just comes out, just starts coming out in front of you. The images will come out, or memories will come out, anything, a feeling will come out. So it's all about that. It's all about your intuition. So allow yourself to go there and look at this memory and look at it honestly. As you're doing it, just say, I release you, I let you go. I release you, I let you go. I release you, I let you go. And keep saying that in your mind as you are doing your acupressure. I release you, I let you go, to that image or that time that you have to release. Now, if it's painful, it might be a bit painful. You might just have to face it. You might just have to sort of breathe into it and just really say to yourself, I'm going to face this because this is what I need to do. Again, we're facing it. And that's where sort of my whole idea of this came from, because we're facing it. It's got to do with our face. So just keep doing that. So after about 2 minutes, it starts to subside. So you're still going, I release you, I let you go. I release you, I let you go. Now, as that all starts to subside, as soon as that starts to subside, the affirmation that we chose for you today was, I am connected. So remembering your affirmation, you go, I am connected, I am connected, I am connected, and tap into it. I am connected, tap right into it. I am connected, I am connected, I am connected, I am connected. And as you do that, what happens? It starts energizing, number one, your face, and it starts putting in this affirmation and healing of what you are declaring that you are. It is so powerful, guys. And if you just open your ears and eyes and heart to it, you will be amazed at the results that you get. Really, I mean, it's the most powerful thing, and I just love it, and I love the little pictures, and this picture will be up on the internet just here for you, so you can download it and have it under your pillow and put it under your pillow as you're doing it. And as you're doing it, you're going, I'm connected, I'm connected, I'm connected, and then allow yourself to go to sleep at night, just drift off to sleep, and all the healing will begin. It's purely magical. It is pure magic, the way it works. And because we're using our intuition, we're connecting to our subconscious, which is the portal to the universe, for us to commune with the universe. And that is either, whatever you believe, however you believe that to be, this opens up that portal so you can commune more with the universe, and however you believe in spirituality and everything, it will just strengthen it. So guys, I hope you love that. I hope you really do try it. And please do let me know in the comments the experiences that you had with it. I mean, if it's something very private and you don't want people to know, don't put it in there. But if it's something you don't mind sharing with us, please go ahead and share it with us. I really hope you enjoyed that today. I am connected. Go ahead, use it and try it and see if it works. All right, guys, you have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye.